Alright, here's FEC 403, the rail grinder. Although he wouldn't be grinding at this point. I love that horn of the 403 right there. It's not going to be grinding. They're done for today.
Oh, so they're just going to go back to where they were and grind?
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. LORAM 403. Look at that. The LORAM rail grinder. Whew, wow. That's why they go 10 miles an hour. And the EOT of that, passing me at 5:15. Here along with Mr. Jay Glanville.
Yeah.
We're probably going to stop at Dunkin' Donuts right over there. Dave Shelley, you can't come because you're all the way up in St. Augustine. We're going to get a latte, iced tea, you know what I'm saying? Alright, BBT 609. And stay tuned for FECs 101 and 202.